Welcome back. Today we are taking you into the world of high-octane pumping supercars. Get ready to rev your engines as we count down the top 10 fastest car in the world for 2024. From record-breaking speed to cutting-edge technology, these cars are not just about getting from point A to point B. They are about pushing the boundaries of what's possible. So let's get started. At number 1 in our list is SSC Totara. This beast has reached top speeds of over 300 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest production cars ever. With its sleek aerodynamics design and 5.9-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, the Totara is built for speed and performance. Boasting 1,750 horsepower, this American hypercar is a marvel of engineering, combining power with precision to achieve those jaw-dropping speeds. Next up we have the Bugatti Chiron Supersport 300 Plus. This French masterpiece achieved an incredible speed of 304 miles per hour, breaking records and setting new standards in the automotive world. Under the hood, it houses a quad-turbocharged W16 engine producing a staggering 1,577 horsepower. The Chiron Supersport 300 Plus is not just about speed, it's also about luxury and style, making it a true icon. At number 3 we have the Koenigsegg Jesko Absolute. Designed to exceed 300 miles per hour, this Swedish hypercar is named after the father of Koenigsegg's founder. The Jesko Absolute is engineered to be the fastest Koenigsegg ever made. With its 5-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, it delivers up to 1600 horsepower on E85 fuel. The Jesko Absolute's streamlined design minimizes drag, allowing it to slice through the air with unparalleled efficiency. Fourth on our list is Hennessey Venom F5. Named after the most powerful Tornado, the F5 has a target speed of over 300 miles per hour. This American hypercar is designed for absolute performance and speed. With its 6.6-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, it generates an astonishing 1,817 horsepower. Coming in at number 5 is the legendary Bugatti Veyron Supersport. Once the world's fastest car, is held the record with a top speed of 268 miles per hour. This iconic car set the benchmark for modern hypercars. Powered by a quad-turbocharged W16 engine, the Veyron Supersport produces 1,200 horsepower. Its combination of speed, luxury and engineering excellence has made it a true legend. Next we have the Koenigsegg Agera RS. This Swedish powerhouse reached speed of 278 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest cars on the planet. The Agera RS combines advanced technology with raw power. Equipped with a 5-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, it delivers 1,341 horsepower. The Agera RS is a perfect blend of speed, agility and innovation. At number 7 we have the Hennessey Venom GT. Known for its top speed of 270 miles per hour, this American supercar is a true speed demon. The Venom GT is all about raw power and performance. With a 7-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, it produces 1,244 horsepower. The Venom GT's lightweight design and powerful engine make it a formidable contender in the world of speed. Next up we have the Rimac C2, an electric hypercar with a top speed of 258 miles per hour. This Croatian masterpiece showcases the future of automotive technology, combining speed with sustainability. With its 4 electric motors, the C2 produces 1,914 horsepower, offering mind-blowing acceleration and performance. The Rimac C2 is a glimpse into the future of high-speed electric vehicles. At number 9 we have the McLaren Speedtail. With a top speed of 250 miles per hour, this British hypercar is a blend of elegance and speed. The Speedtail is designed for both performance and luxury. Powered by a hybrid drivetrain that delivers 1,035 horsepower, the Speedtail is McLaren's fastest production car to date. Its aerodynamics designed to ensure it's cut through the air with minimal resistance. Finally, rounding off our list is the Aston Martin Valkyrie, estimated to have a top speed of 250 miles per hour. This British hypercar is a marvel of engineering and design. With its 6.5-liter V12 engine, The Valkyrie produces around 1160 horsepower. The Valkyrie is not about just speed, it's a work of art combining cutting edge technology with stunning aesthetics. And there you have it, the top 10 fastest car in the world for 2024. These incredible machines are the epitome of automotive excellence, pushing the boundaries of speed and performance. Which one of the speed demon is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing content. Until next time, keep your engines running and your speed limits high.